So the third problem is an ideal transformer has a turns ratio of 8:1, and the primary current is 3 ampere. When it is applied at 240 volts, calculate the secondary voltage current. So meron tayong given na 8:1, so step down transformer yan. So NS natin over NP pala, sorry. NP over NS is equal to 8:1. So we can rewrite this as 8. And meron tayong IP, I primary, which is 3 ampere. When it is applied at 240 volts. So meron tayong IVP na 240 volts. So, makukuha natin yung secondary natin. Secondary volts natin. So, VS is equal to 8. Hindi. Wait. 8:1. 8:1. So, VS over the B primary is equal to NS all over the N primary. So, VS natin, so cross multiply, VS is equal to NS, which is 1 multiplied by BP, 240, divided by the NP, which is 8. So, yung volts natin is 240 divided by 30 volts. So, ano yung current natin yan? Sa VS, meron tayong VS, meron tayong VP, meron tayong IP. So, di ba meron tayong formula kanina na VS IS is equal to BP IP. So, divide by VS. So, cancel. So, I secondary is equal to the BP, which is 240. Multiply by the yung ampere natin, which is 3 amps. Then the B secondary, which is 30. Volts, which is equal to meron tayong 24 ampere. So, kung mapapansin nyo, no, step down siya. Pinapa-step down nyo yung voltage. Pero pag step down, tumataas naman yung current. For example, 8 to, di ba? 8. Then, bumaba siya. Bumaba siya ng 8 times. So, naging 30 volts. Pero pag current naman yung usapan, pag step down yung transformer, yung sa secondary current natin is tataas, which is naging 24 volts. Tumaas siya ng 8 times. So, ito yung sagot for this problem.